Hello, it's Jam Games here once again, and in this video we're going to add bonus points power up, and also we're going to adjust some things a little bit, and adding a random rotation to the power ups. And one more thing, yeah, we are also going to make so that power ups can be spawned 4 times per round, like it's in the old Call of Duty Zombies. So yeah, let's get started. First, let's go to the interactables and to the power-ups. And let's actually duplicate these double points. Let's call it bonus points. And let's open it. And yeah, the thing that I want to do here is let's go to the viewport first. And let's check this. Okay, we're at the wrong side. Okay, now it's okay. Here, the text 3D. I want to change this text to set, like that. I think the small chat is better. Let's see. I actually don't know. Let's make big or capital letter, like that. And now what I want to do here, I want to change this X scale to 1.2. So it will be like wider on this like side. And I want to change this to 1 and the height to 0.8. So it will be looking like this. Now let's duplicate it and let's change the text to capital I, like that. And now what we want to do, we want to change these values, we want to change this to 1. Oh, I have the shit. Let's go back. Sorry. I want to unclick this lock open. So this would be 1.2. This should be 1, and this should be 0.8. Okay, so those are good for me. And now, when we are here on the I, or on the next thing, I want to make this 1.2, this 0.7, and this one. Okay, it can be like that. Now I want to set the Y location to 5. Now I want to duplicate this once more, and I want to set this Y location to -5. So, as you can see, we have the zombie money symbol there. Okay, it's looking pretty good. And yeah, now let's compile and say, let's go to the event graph. And here on the event graph, what we want to do is simple as that. We want to delete this add power up thing, and we want to move this get all widgets off class to a little bit closer. And we want to change this power up text to bonus points. Is there 1 or 2? Oh, yeah, bonus points, like that. And one more thing, let's move this destroy actor a little bit further. Let's get from this. Okay. Now we have to increase points. And I want to increase points by 1000. I think that's what it is on the older Call of Duties. Okay. And basically, we are all set, I think. Let's check. Let's add the bonus points here on the map. Let's move it up to the 92, it's okay. And there. And let's see how it looks. So yeah, you can see we have the bonus points there. Okay, if we get it, we get bonus points plus 1000. Okay, now one thing I want to do with all of these is let's add some random rotation. So let's go, for example, to the bonus points. And on the event begin play, let's move a little bit further up. Let's move all these delay and fade further. Now what we want to do, we want to get the rotating movement and we want to set rotation rate like this. Okay. Now we want to split this, and we want to random float in range. Okay. And for the X, the values that I want to use is 0 and 45. You can obviously use whatever you want. And I also want to, let's duplicate this. I want to use this on the Y. You can use that same there if you want. Actually, I will add another one. This is the like rotation on the, I will show you, on this axis. Yeah, oh, I don't know what I did, but yeah. So here I want to add a little bit more. So let's make it minimum 60 and max 90. I think that's pretty okay. Now let's reconnect this and let's move it even further. Now what we want to do, we want to copy this to all the other functions or the other blueprints. So let's copy all this, Control C, and compile and save. And let's now close this. Now let's go to the, for example, to the double points, to the next one. And here at the event begin play, we can delete all this and paste the old one because our functions are called, they have the same name, so it should work. If I compile, it should work. And it works, okay? Now let's do this for all these power-ups. So let's delete that, paste it to here, compile, save, it works. Maximum, same thing. Oh, like that, compile and save and close, and also the nuke. Okay, let's delete that, paste, compile and save. So now when we play, you can see all these have some kind of random rotation, and it's basically almost the same as in Call of Duty. Yeah, you can adjust values as you like, but I think these look pretty nice. So the next thing I want to do, we actually want to add that bonus points to the zombie spawning function. So let's go to the PP enemy main, and let's go to the take damage, or actually we can just go to the calculate power up spawn here, and we want to add a new pin to here, and we want to change this random integer value to 4. Now this fourth pin should be called, or we should select the bonus points. Now let's compile and save, and yeah, everything should be working here. Save all and close. And now the thing, so they can only spawn 4 of these per round. Let's set it. So first let's reopen the PP enemy main. And now let's leave it open there. Let's go to the blueprints and let's go to the GM zombies. Now here what we want to do, we want to add a variable. Let's call it variable power ups spawned on round. Something like that. Let's change the type to integer, compile, and save. Now what we want to do, we want to find the increased round custom event. We want to move this set max health a little bit further there, and we want to set this power up spawned on round here. On the start, we want to set it to 0 on every round. Okay, let's compile and save. Now, what we want to do, we want to go back to the PP enemy main, and here on the calculate power ups, we want to move all this spawning thing further. Then what we want to do here, after this true, we want to get game mode. Oh, sorry, get game mode. oh, sorry, yeah, get game mode. And from here we want to cast to GM Zombies, or whatever your game mode is called. Now let's get from true. And now from here, what we want to do, we want to get the power up spawn on round, like this. We want to check if it's less than, I want to make it 4. Now let's add a branch, connect it to here. And if it's true, we can spawn. Yeah, and if it's false, we shouldn't do anything. Now let's move this a little bit further down, and let's ++ increment integer. And let's add it after this one. Yeah. Simple as that. It should be all done. So now, so we can test this. Let's change this max random integer back to 0. So it should always spawn. And let's actually delete these power-ups from the map, because we know that they already work. Let's save, actually save all, and let's play. And let's check how things work. I just bought this AK-74U because I like how it looks. Okay. Nuke. Bonus points, double points, nuke, and now we shouldn't get any more power-ups. Yeah, as you can see, we only get the 4. Okay, I think it's working as it is supposed to be, and yeah, I actually want to change this value back to. Actually, I want to make it like 9, so it's 1 on 10. In Call of Duty, I think it's 1 on 50, but yeah, I will change it later back to that. But yeah, I think that was all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to continue watching this series. And yeah, hope you all have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.